Good day, everybody. Jason Lake with MarineMax Clearwater, and today I get to bring the west coast of Florida's favorite center console, the 33 Outrage from Boston Whaler. But what makes this one a little bit different than the ones you've seen to date on the water is Mercury's new V10 400s equipped on the back. We're loving the whole shot on these things. When we get up and out of the water, it's extremely responsive, extremely quick, minimal to zero bow rise. You lose zero visibility when you're running the boat. And top end, they have posted at about 59 miles an hour. We're going to see the boat go past that, I have zero doubt. So as we look at the famed 33 Outrage, this one I like is equipped how probably I would get it. White hull, chrome graphics. We have our 50-gallon Livewell standard. Of course, our vantage seat here that we would pull out that you see on all the Outrages, a hallmark of the Outrages from Boston Whaler. And then here we went with the second Livewell. So you can do storage here. You can do some... like I said, storage here, or you can do a second Livewell. So here we've done a second Livewell. So I know our anglers watching will like that. And then you have an articulating table here for your bait prep and a cutting board that stows just under that lid, the hatch I had up. So a really neat setup there. Again, engineers at Boston Whaler make all their own hinges in-house, and you can see how tight those are. You don't get any rattling when you're out and about bouncing around. So here we have our port side dive door. Nice and tight, no water intrusion on this door, suction cups to keep it open. And then your ladder for this will be stowed in our head compartment. And then you have a really nice grab handle here so that you can get in and out of the water. You'll see our freshwater and raw water spigots here. And then as we move over here to the helm, you'll see a really nice helm because it is blank for you. You're the artist, you get to paint the canvas, if you will. Garmin, Simrad, Raymarine, it's your choice. This boat is bare of electronics, which you don't see a lot of today. Typically, you'll see the dealerships order the boats in with electronics on them. Really nice overhead glove box here. You'll see that you get nice reflections in there so you can see everything behind you as you're running the boat. And then here you'll have all your electronics, plugs, your 12-volt USBs, all that fun stuff as well. And you can stow your dry things in there as well. So as we move forward of the boat, you'll see the head compartment. Vacuum flush head with overboard discharge. There's the ladder for the dive door that I referred to earlier. And just a ton of storage in here, guys. And you also have storage back underneath the step as well. Moving forward in the bow, really big open bow. Boston Whaler did away with the bow table this year for 2024, leaving this open. That was a consumer-driven choice. So you have a macerated fish box here, your third one on board. Storage underneath here. Really nice anchor windlass locker up front, guys, with a remote control freshwater spigot. And then here we have the garage, the famed garage from Boston Whaler. We have dive tank storage, long rod storage that will protrude into the head compartment, and both of these compartments are lockable, so you can keep that nice and secure. I hope you've enjoyed today's tour of this 2024 330 Outrage. This boat is available online for $489. Please give us a call for a private tour. My name is Jason Lake, 509-869-8306. Please feel free to call or text me at that number. Text for a quicker reply. Again, 509-869-8306, 2024 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage.